Over the past decade, rapid advances in financial technology have fundamentally transformed the global banking industry, reshaping how banks deliver services, compete, and interact with customers across major financial centers such as London, New York, and the Asia-Pacific region. Leading banks are increasingly adopting artificial intelligence, open banking platforms, and ecosystem-based digital services to respond to changing customer expectations. At the same time, emerging fintech firms are accelerating this transformation through virtual banking services, embedded finance solutions, and real-time payment infrastructures that enable faster and more customer-centric financial experiences. These developments are particularly evident in Hong Kong, one of the world's leading international financial centers. Supported by regulatory initiatives from the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, including virtual banking licenses and the faster payment system, the city has developed a highly competitive digital banking environment. Virtual banks such as ZA Bank, WeLab Bank, and Mox Bank, together with major platforms like Alipay HK and WeChat Pay HK, are reshaping customer expectations. Within this environment, HSBC Hong Kong maintains a strong leadership position as the largest bank in Hong Kong and one of the territory's 3 note-issuing banks, and plays a strategic role as a financial gateway connecting mainland China with global capital markets, particularly through its strengths in corporate banking and cross-border trade finance. To remain competitive, HSBC continues strengthening its digital ecosystem through platforms such as PayMe, demonstrating how the bank is adapting to emerging fintech trends while maintaining its important role in the regional banking system. The world of finance is changing. Faster, smarter, more connected than ever before. And in this transformation, only those who move with purpose can stay ahead. At HSBC, the future is not something to wait for. It is something to build. In 2018, HSBC introduced FX Everywhere, a blockchain-powered platform, transforming foreign exchange transactions. By 2020, millions of transactions were processed. Faster, safer, more efficient. But its impact remains mostly internal. The next step is clear, bringing this innovation closer to customers. In 2019, HSBC partnered with TradeShift to transform supply chain finance. What once took days became real-time. What lacked transparency became seamless. But reliance on external platforms creates new challenges. The future lies in balance, partnership, and in-house innovation. Since 2020, HSBC has applied artificial intelligence to understand customers, predict needs, and deliver personalized financial experiences. Yet, speed and agility remain critical challenges. In a fast-moving digital world, the next chapter is about scaling faster, going deeper, and getting closer to customers. Because the goal is not just to keep up with change, but to shape it. In response to rapid digital transformation in global capital markets, HSBC has strategically developed innovative fintech solutions to strengthen its competitive position, among which HSBC Orion stands out as a key platform driving the bank's transition toward digital asset infrastructure. HSBC Orion is a blockchain-based digital asset platform designed to support the issuance and lifecycle management of digital bonds using distributed ledger technology. Traditionally, bond issuance involves multiple intermediaries, complex documentation, and settlement delays. Orion transforms this process by integrating issuance, trading, settlement, and custody into a single digital platform, enabling near real-time settlement and improved operational efficiency. The platform applies several advanced technologies, including blockchain infrastructure, smart contracts, tokenization, cloud computing, and secure digital custody solutions. Through tokenization, financial assets such as bonds become programmable digital tokens, increasing transparency, automation, and transaction efficiency. HSBC Orion provides a strong competitive advantage because it combines technological innovation with HSBC's global banking network and regulatory credibility. Unlike fintech startups, HSBC leverages institutional trust and existing capital market relationships while delivering cutting-edge digital solutions. However, challenges remain, including high technological investment costs and limited accessibility for retail investors. Overall, HSBC Orion demonstrates how traditional banks can transform into digital financial infrastructure providers and capture new opportunities in the rapidly evolving digital asset ecosystem. In the context of digital transformation, HSBC Hong Kong has adopted a combination of blockchain, artificial intelligence, AI, and big data analytics to enhance its banking operations, particularly in trade finance and payment systems. Specifically, blockchain technology is implemented through platforms such as Contour to digitalize letters of credit, significantly improving processing speed from several days to less than 24 hours, while increasing transparency and reducing reliance on paper-based processes. At the same time, AI is utilized for fraud detection and risk assessment, enabling real-time monitoring of suspicious transactions. Meanwhile, big data supports more accurate credit scoring and personalized financial services, thereby enhancing customer experience. These technologies offer several distinctive features. Decentralization and immutability in blockchain ensure secure and tamper-proof transactions, while smart contracts enhance efficiency through automation. Additionally, AI-driven automation speeds up decision-making, and data-driven insights improve understanding of customer behavior. However, from a critical perspective, several key limitations remain. First, regulatory uncertainty poses a major barrier, especially in cross-border transactions. Second, high implementation costs and the complexity of integrating with legacy systems limit scalability. In addition, data privacy risks and potential biases in AI may affect decision accuracy, while the system still faces cyber risks. In conclusion, the integration of blockchain, AI, and big data at HSBC Hong Kong significantly enhances speed, efficiency, and transparency. However, to ensure sustainable growth, the bank must effectively address regulatory, technological, and ethical challenges. About regulation and risk, HSBC Hong Kong operates within a distinctive regulatory environment where regulators not only enforce strict risk controls, but also actively promote fintech innovation. At the core, the bank must comply with international standards, such as Basel III, including capital requirements and risk-weighted assets, while maintaining key liquidity ratios like the LCR and NSFR to manage both short-term and long-term liquidity risk. This creates a clear constraint framework within which all fintech activities, from AI to blockchain and digital assets, must be properly risk-assessed and aligned with financial capacity. In addition, anti-money laundering and know-your-customer regulations remain critical, especially in digital banking and real-time transactions. HSBC leverages AI and RegTech to monitor transactions, detect unusual behavior, and automate compliance, improving both efficiency and risk control. Another important aspect is open banking through open APIs. In Hong Kong, banks are encouraged to share data with third parties while complying with data protection regulations under the Personal Data Ordinance. This creates a trade-off between innovation and security, as data is both a key asset and a potential source of risk. HSBC addresses this through strong data governance, strict access controls, and significant investment in cybersecurity. However, fintech introduces new risks. Technology and cyber risks increase, as digital platforms may face disruptions or attacks, affecting services and reputation. AI-related model risk can involve limited transparency or bias, requiring strong governance. Meanwhile, data and third-party risks grow as HSBC collaborates with fintech partners. To address this, HSBC uses regulatory sandbox programs to test technologies like AI and blockchain in a controlled environment, balancing innovation with risk control. We now turn to the most forward-looking part of this video, HSBC's strategic directions for 2026 to 2030. Under the HKMA's Fintech 2030 roadmap, HSBC is advancing phased strategies to establish leadership within the digital asset ecosystem and the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. Anchoring this ecosystem is the HSBC-HKSTP partnership, a multi-dimensional framework built on 5 strategic pillars. The International Fintech Corridor connects Hong Kong-based fintech firms to global investors and cross-border networks, while HSBC-led coaching programs evaluate HKSTP's solutions for integration into HSBC's own product suite, generating bilateral value across wealth tech, insurtech, green tech, and regtech, and consolidating Hong Kong's competitive advantage in the international digital economy. 4 strategic directions operationalize this roadmap. First, HSBC should transition to a 24/7 AI financial advisor model, integrating smart AI assistants into the HSBC HK app, leveraging the HKMA GenAI sandbox to deliver real-time, personalized financial guidance at scale. Second, an AI and machine learning credit evaluation platform drawing on transaction history, actual cash flow, tax data, and vendor payment history, combined with IAM smart authentication, enables fully online loan approval and expands SME credit access across the Greater Bay Area. Third, deploying automated smart contracts for cross-border trade extends existing blockchain infrastructure through Contour and HSBC Orion, enabling automated disbursement once delivery conditions are confirmed, eliminating settlement delays, and reinforcing HSBC's role as a financial gateway between mainland China and international capital markets. Fourth, widespread implementation of tokenized gold products and real-world asset securitization built on distributed ledger technology. Established through HSBC, Orion opens new investment categories and positions HSBC at the frontier of digital asset markets. Together, these four directions are mutually reinforcing. By maintaining its essence as a traditional bank while continuously absorbing technological values, HSBC Hong Kong is positioned to protect its market-leading role and foster sustainable innovation not merely for the next 5 years, but for the decades ahead. Thank you.